NTN
സഹോദരീ സഹോദരന്മാരെ, on behalf of the people of India and particularly our people of Kerala, the government of Kerala, and on my personal behalf as the Chief Minister of Kerala, let me put on record my sincere thanks to His Highness Sheikh Mishal Al Ahmad Al Jaber Al Sabah, Emir of Kuwait, His Highness Sheikh Sabah Al Khalid Al Sabah, Crown Prince of Kuwait, the government of Kuwait and Kuwaiti nationals for their generosity and kindness in accommodating the large Indian community in this country. We wish them good health and continued success. പ്രിയപ്പെട്ടവരെ, കേരളം ഒരു വികാരമായി കൊണ്ടു നടക്കുന്ന മലയാളികളാണ് നമ്മുടെ